Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to hide folder CMD and how to unhide folder using CMD. To start, in the File Explorer, go to the path where the folder to hide is. In the name bar, enter CMD, press Enter. As you see, the terminal opens in this path. Now, to hide the folder, run the command attrib +H+S+R folder name. Press Enter. Refresh your File Explorer and the folder will be hidden. After that, to make it visible, run in the console attrib -H-S-R folder name. Press Enter. When you hit Enter, you can see the visible folder again. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic Channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.